What is meant by VHE? The virtual home environment is a user roaming from his network to other UMTS network will not feel any discontinuity or service difference, thus giving a feeling of being in the home network. This the elements of UMTS network architecture. The UMTS network architecture can be divided into three main elements: user equipment, radio network subsystem, core network. What are the advantages of GPRS? Machine-to-machine data communication, broadcast services, low service charges, compatible with email. Define GGSN. GGSN is one of the network elements of GPRS architecture. GGSN stands for Gateway GPRS Support Node. It is the networking unit between the GPRS network and PDN. The GGSN containing the routing information for GPRS users perform address connection and tunnels data to a user through encapsulation. Mention the features associated with security in GSM network: authentication, confidentiality, anonymity. What are the divisions of OSS? OSS consists of the following: Operation and Maintenance Center, Authentication Center, Equipment Identity Register. Define NSS. NSS is Network and Switching Subsystem that form the heart of the GSM system. It connects the wireless network to the standard public network and carries out charging, accounting, and also handles roaming. What are the supplementary services of GSM? GSM provides certain supplementary services, namely user identification, call redirection, forwarding of ongoing calls. What are the different radio frequencies of GSM network? Most GSM networks operate either in the 900 MHz or in the 1800 MHz frequency band. Some countries in the American continent use the 850 MHz and 1900 MHz band. The relatively rarely used 400 MHz and 450 MHz frequency bands are assigned to countries like Scandinavia. In the 900 MHz band, the uplink frequency band is 890 to 915 MHz and the downlink frequency band is 935 to 960 MHz. Define data services. The BRS services is otherwise called as data services. It enables the transparent transmission of data between GSM and other networks like PSTN, ISDN, etc. at rates from 300 beats per second to 9.
Please subscribe our channel for more videos and educational contents.